Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to attempt to show you how to draw this. It looks like it's coming out and the inside is going in. Pretty easy, just a few steps you need to think about. So we're going to get that out of the way. We're going to take an ellipse, a pretty big one, hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then draw a second ellipse, Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the Shift key, it'll grow from the inside out. And we'll make it about that big. I'm going to select both of them and I'm going to hit B like in boy. I actually want this one a copy of it, so I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over. Tell you what, let me change my nudge key to something bigger. This is like, so make it 20 inches. I'm going to make a duplicate of that and nudge it over because we're going to need it in a second. I'm actually going to make these lines black. And then I'm going to take my blend tool from this toolbox that I normally have very seldom ever use, and I'm just going to blend it like that. Okay, now I want to take the Smart Fill tool, and this time I'm going to use it. I got stuck on doing gold or gray from the other day. I'm going to take the Smart Fill, I'm going to fill in every other one. And on this one, you can leave the outlines or take the outlines away depending on what you like. And the reason I made a copy for this is because now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key to make one smaller. And I am going to hit, this time, I'm going to hit T, like in Tom, to put it up top. Now I'm going to take the blend tool and go from here to here. And you can have as many as or as little as you want. Now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on blue again, and I like starting from the inside in case I run out of rings, because I could have changed my blend to have same amount of rings, and I think it worked out perfectly on this one. Now I can nudge this back over, but if we take away I'm going to take away that. Remember, I had them black. I'm going to make them all black. And it appears, actually, let's see how big the line is here. It's just a hairline, so it shouldn't really show up. Let's look at it with no line. Looks pretty good. That's personal preference, what you think you'd want to do. But that way, I like it with the lines on the gray one. So let's add a line, and it appears that it's coming at you and going back. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.